Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Today we're going to explore the rest, well not the rest, but as much as we can today of Agra. Yesterday seeing the Taj Mahal, what an amazing thing, but there's plenty more in this city. It was a very, very rich place in its day. But for now guys, I'm going to jump on Libby, head to our first stop for the day. Well guys, this is the Gurudwara Gura Katal. Sorry, I had to read that off my phone. I'll write it here for you as well. Now this is a very, very important Sikh temple. People come, it's a pilgrimage in the Sikh religion to come here and visit this temple. Just gorgeous guys. It was built in 1610 and the same sort of marble and inlay that the Taj Mahal was built in. But guys, this is a very, very important place, so as usual I'm not going to go in. I'm just going to head to our next spot. But isn't this just amazing? And behind me is the tomb of this Abdullah, and I paid, it's about $4 US to get in. But then they tried taking my my GoPro off me, so I just got my money back. It's not worth me going in if I haven't got my camera. But yeah, this was a very, very rich part of the world in its time. This was built in 1622, and the guy, I've said it wrong, but this is whose tomb it is. Itimad ud Douala. Look where I am guys, amazing. All these handmade rugs and things. And this building here, just incredible. This is the Jama Masjid, or the Jama Mosque. It's the biggest mosque in India. It was built in 1648. Just incredible guys, and it's really in the ancient part of the city. Most of this would be about the same age, 1600s. Incredible. Unbelievable guys. But I've got a lot to see today, so what I might do is try and find a cup of chai somewhere. And then we'll head to our next spot. And the Afghan invaders ruled here for a long time. So all this was built by the Afghans, the Taj Mahal, all those sort of things. But the last of the Afghan rulers was killed as a freedom fighter fighting against the English when they came here. So this part of the world has been conquered by many, many different people. Incredible. Hello! And look where we are. Everywhere I go, people stop to say hello. Here you can see, guys, I'm sweating, it's hot. I'm going to go back to my hotel. I'm actually not feeling the best. I've been to the toilet a few times this morning and last night, so I'm going to go to my hotel, see if they'll give me an extra day for the same price that I got. Now, this bloke's parking his truck right in front of me because people just don't think. Anyway guys, I'm going to head back to my hotel now. I'll show you more later. Oh well guys, it's 2 days later. I'm sick as a dog, really. Not as sick as other people get from food poisoning, I have to say. I'm pretty lucky that way, but I'm not very well at all. I'm just looking for a chemist now. And the funny thing is, where I stayed in the last town, the whole street was chemists. And I kept thinking, you know, how does anyone make any money when there's 100 of the same shop? And now that I need a chemist, I can't find one, but there is a hospital here, so I'm sure there's going to be a chemist somewhere. Oh guys, I'm really not very well. It's another 2 days later. Oh, I've been a bit sick. Not sick like other people get, like I've seen. There was no thought of going to hospital or anything. But I must have lost 2 or 3 kilos at least. I've lost that India belly that I had. Feeling a lot better today though. I've booked in one more night so I can have a bit of a relax today, but I've got a couple of other things to film here in Agra. Got to go to the fort and things. So I'm going to go and get that over and done with. Come back here and be lazy for the day. Then tomorrow we head for Nepal. Now guys, this is the Agra Fort. This is incredible. Now I had planned on just coming here and showing you the entrance and things, but this is a very, very impressive building. And sorry if this is fogging up a bit, it's just the aircon in the hotel. It'll warm up in a little while. In fact, I'll put it in my pocket, that'll warm it up. But yeah, this is very, very impressive building. And I organised a guide for about $12 US. He'll show me around for about an hour. And this is my guide here, Raj. He's going to show me around the fort. This really is an impressive building, guys. But this is, and it's about $7 entry fee. So guys, this is the first defence of the fort here. This would have been all filled with crocodiles and things. And then the second defence, you can see there's two lots of walls. That would have had lions and tigers in there. And this was built by the grandfather of the guy that built the Taj Mahal. So what year was it built?
1565.
1565. It took 95 years to build. This is 4 generations. This is just incredible, guys. What an amazing old building. And guys, this is the entry to the fort. You can see the ground here is all split. That's so the horses and camels wouldn't slip. But you can see all these little sort of channels coming out of the wall. That's so if the enemy came in here, they could just cover them in boiling oil, set fire to them all. And this is the main entry gate. And the guy that built the Taj Mahal, this is where he was locked up by his son, ended up dying. And from his cell, he could see the Taj Mahal. And as he got too old to get out of bed, they set up a thing on his wall so he could see the reflection of the Taj. This place really is incredible. And guys, it's very rare for a Muslim to marry out of the religion, but here for political reasons. So the mother of the guy that built the Taj Mahal, she was Hindu, and she was from a very important Hindu family. Look at this guy, just amazing. And Raj over here, I'll never forget his name because half of India's named Raj. There's the Taj Mahal. It's a lot closer than it looks on the GoPro. Really very impressive. And that's the place that should have been the Black Taj. So guys, see these walls, you tap them, they're hollow. And in winter they'd fill them with hot water. In summer they'd fill them with cold water, and it was just natural heating and cooling. How long ago? 500 years ago. Just amazing, guys. Incredible. Now this is a better view of the thing. The first moat there would have been full of water and crocodiles and things, and the second moat down here would have been dry and full of lions and tigers and things. So it was very, very hard to get in here. And this part of the palace was built by the guy who built the Taj Mahal. So he was very, very much into his marble, as you can see. Just this whole thing. I'm very, very glad I came in. I almost didn't. And the king's here. This was a vineyard in here because they like wine so much. So in Afghanistan, the Muslim rules would have been very, very strict. They would have lived a very strict life. But here, they came here, they drank alcohol, they married Hindu girls. They had hundreds of girlfriends, like concubines. Did what they wanted, really. So I think they had a pretty good life here in Agra. And these are all my new subscribers here. Say hello, guys.
Hi.
And this is where the guy that built the Taj Mahal, you can see it through those windows. You guys won't be able to. But this is where he spent the last 8 years of his life. This was his prison. But he could look out the windows and see the Taj Mahal, see his beloved wife. And when he got too old to be able to get up and look at the window, they put a reflective thing in so he could see the reflection of the Taj Mahal. And guys, we're seeing 25% of the fort today. 75% of it, the other side of this wall, is still used by the Indian Army. And I'm going to find out or try and find out, is this the oldest used fort in the world? Okay, so no, it's not the oldest used fort in the world because the part that the army uses is quite modern. The oldest parts, you won't really be able to see it as well in the GoPro, but these marble bits, the towers you can see there, they're so old that no one's allowed in there. Tourists, army, no one's allowed in there. They're closed off, so they'll last forever. Preservation, that's the word I'm trying to think of. Well, that was well worth the tour. I'm glad I went in there. But I've got plenty of footage now to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that Mad Dog icon up there, or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.